Hi guys, this is Module 7, Lesson 4. Today we will learn how to draw a bar graph to represent a data set. Hoy vamos a aprender cómo dibujar una gráfica de barras usando una tabla de datos. So today's lesson is going to be very similar to yesterday's lesson. Okay guys, so let's just do a quick review of what a table is, which is a representation of data. So this whole thing is a table, okay, and the data is a set of information. So the data is found in the table. For example, the table is talking about pizza toppings, and my categories, all right, the types of pizza toppings are cheese, pepperoni, sausage, and pineapple. And then these are my more data. So 4 people like cheese, 9 people like pepperoni, 7 people like sausage, and 6 people like pineapple. Okay, so this is a table with information in it, and we use this to draw picture graphs and bar graphs. Okay, so una tabla es una representación de datos. Entonces esta es mi tabla y los datos son un grupo de información. Los datos están en la tabla. Por ejemplo, esta tabla se trata sobre los tipos de pizza y mis categorías son cheese, pepperoni, sausage y pineapple. Okay. Y los datos, aquí me dice que 4 personas le gusta el queso, 9 personas le gusta el pepperoni, 7 personas le gusta la sausage y 6 personas le gusta la piña en su pizza, ¿ok? Pero todo esto es una tabla de información, ¿ok? Y la información de la tabla la usamos para dibujar barras, la usamos para usar gráficas de imágenes y gráficas de barras. Okay, entonces vamos a ver. So we learned about a picture graph, which is a representation of data using pictures. So this is my picture graph. All right, and it has the same information as my table. Okay, so and a bar graph, which we learned about yesterday and we're going to keep practicing today, is this one. All right, which also has the same information as my table. So let's go over it. My title here is pizza toppings, and that's my title here for both of my graphs. My categories are cheese, pepperoni, sausage, and pineapple, and those are my categories in both of my graphs. Okay, and here I see that 4 people like cheese, and that's what I see here in the 4 x's, and my bar goes up to the 4. 9 people like pepperoni, so I have 9 x's here, and my pepperoni bar goes up to the 9. 7 people like sausage, and you can see that because there's 7 x's in my picture graph, and my bar graph goes up to the 7. And 6 people like pineapple, and you can see that here with the 6 x's and the bar graph that goes over up to the 6. Okay, so the same information from my table is found in both my picture graph and my bar graph. Alrighty guys, so mi gráfica de imágenes es esta, que representa los datos de una tabla. Y mi gráfica de barra es esta, igual representa la información de la tabla. Entonces aquí está mi mismo título, que tienen mi tabla y las 2 gráficas. Las categorías, que son estas en las 2 gráficas. Y los datos, ok, que son aquí, se encuentran los mismos datos aquí en cada imagen y cada barra en mis gráficas. Okay, but today guys, we said we're going to focus on the bar graph. Alright, hoy vamos a aprender más sobre la gráfica de barra igual que ayer. Okay, so our instructions are to draw a bar graph using the data from the table below. So here's my table. Alright, and I already set up my bar graph. Okay, so vamos a dibujar una gráfica de barras usando los datos de la tabla. Así es que aquí está mi tabla y ya empecé mi gráfica, solo la voy a llenar. Okay, so I'm gonna number my sides. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and then I'm gonna label my 4 categories. So ya que puse mis números al lado de mi gráfica, voy a poner mis categorías abajo. So I have snakes, so I'm going to put an S for snakes. Lizards, I'm going to write an L. Turtles, I'm going to put a T. And then we have tortoises, I'm going to put a T-O there. So I can differentiate between turtles and tortoises. Okay? And then I'm just going to look at my numbers. So ya que puse mis categorías, voy a mirar mis números. Aquí tengo 13 en las víboras. So I'm going to draw my bar graph that goes up to the number 13. Alrighty. And then for lizards, I have 11. So 11 lagartijas. Entonces voy a dibujar aquí hasta el número 11. 7 turtles. So I'm going to go up to my number 7. 7 tortugas. And 8 tortoises. So this one's going to be a little bit higher than my turtles. 8 tortugas. 8 tortoises. Alrighty, guys? And that's it. Oh, actually, oh my goodness, I hope you guys caught this before I did. I need to write my title. So my title here is types of reptiles. Entonces, so I'm going to write my title here, types of reptiles. So tengo que escribir mi título, que debe ser igual que la tabla. Okay, types of reptiles. Alrighty, guys, now we're done with our bar graph. So I'm looking at my title. It's the same. I have my 4 categories, and they're down here as well. And I have my data: 13 snakes, 11 lizards, 7 turtles, and 8 tortoises. Alrighty, good job. Let's do another one. So this one, same thing, okay? How about you try this one on your own? So pause the video and draw your graph, and then come check your work with me when you're done, okay? And then I'll give you your exit ticket assignment. So inténtalo tú solo, dibuja tu gráfica, pausa la video y regresa cuando estés listo para revisar tu trabajo, y después te doy el exit ticket. Alrighty, guys, so I'm going to start off by labeling my numbers up the side of my bar graph. So go up. Primero debo poner los números en el lado de mi barra mi gráfica de barra. Okay. And then I'm going to label my categories, mis categorías. So I have sharks, and all of these starts with an S, so I'm going to write the first 2 letters. So sharks, stingrays, starfish, you can write part of the word, and seahorses. Okay, alrighty, and then I'm just going to draw my bars. Okay, so ya después de que puse mis categorías, voy a dibujar mis barras. So I have 6 sharks, so I'm going to go draw my bar up to the 6. I have 9 stingrays, so I'm going to go up to my 9. I have 14 starfish, so that's going to go all the way up to my number 14. And 13 seahorses, so that's going to be a little bit below my 14. Okay, and then, not going to forget this time, my title, underwater animals, so I'm going to write that here too. Underwater animals. And that's it. Okay, and let's just check our work real quick. So I have my title, underwater animals. I have my 4 categories down here. And I have 6 sharks, which is here. I have 9 stingrays, 14 starfish, and 13 seahorses. Alrighty, and make sure, guys, that you always go in the same order. So sharks is here first on my table, and it's here first in my graph. Then I have stingrays, and I have stingrays next. I have starfish, and I have starfish next here. Okay, and seahorses are last. Alrighty, guys. So siempre asegúrate que tus categorías vayan en la misma orden en tu gráfica que están en la tabla, ¿ok? No lo hagas fuera de orden porque te vas a confundir al hacer tu trabajo, ¿ok? Good job, guys. So, for your exit ticket, you're going to draw a bar graph and use the data from the table. So here's the table. And remember, you do not need to copy the table down to turn in. I just need to see your bar graph, okay? Make sure you include the title, the categories, and the data, okay? Take a picture and then submit on Class Dojo, and I'll check your work. So, tu trabajo para tu exit ticket, vas a dibujar una gráfica de barras y usar los datos de la tabla. So, aquí está la tabla. Y recuerda, no tienes que copiar la tabla a tu cuaderno, solo necesito yo ver tu gráfica, ¿ok? Y asegúrate que tengas toda la información, el título, las categorías y los datos en tu gráfica de barra y le tomas una foto y lo entregas a Class Dojo para que yo lo revise, ¿ok? Alrighty guys, see you tomorrow.